Hello and welcome guys to my channel. My name is Vedi and you are watching my channel. So in this video I am going to tell you about how to host your project on GitHub, and by hosting your project on GitHub you will get a link, get a URL. By this URL you can see your project online, and you can also share this link to your friends so they can also watch your project. So this is very easy step. Just go to the GitHub and upload your project. So your project like HTML and CSS files. So just open the Chrome and search for GitHub. You must have an GitHub account for this. So open the GitHub and just go to the sign in. So this is my account. You can see that there are some projects I have hosted before. So to host a new project, just click on the new button. You can see above the projects. So just click on the new button. So after clicking on the new button you will see a page like this. Just enter the repository name. So in this field you can fill your project name. Like I have an weather app, so I will enter the weather app, and here is the optional field description. You can write and description what you want to write. So I am writing this is a weather app. So just write this, and after filling this description you must check that the public is selected, and click on the click on the add a readme file, and just click create repository. So after clicking this, all the process have done, and you have see page like this. Just click on the and now now upload your files. So click on add files and click upload files. So by uploading files you will get a page, and here you can upload your file. So choose your file. So I am selecting both my file index.html and style22.css. So after uploading this, the file is uploaded now, and just click on the commit changes. Now processing the file, and after this some few steps are left. Just go to the setting, click on the setting, and scroll down and search for the GitHub pages, and here is the GitHub pages, and click on the check it out. And now just select the main and click on the save button. Next, so you can see your site is ready to publish at this URL. So your site is ready to be published. Just reload the page, and you can it's running. This process is running. Let's reload again, and now your site is published at this URL. So you can see this URL, and now just click on this URL to see your project online. So click on this project and just check is this project is running or not. So this is the weather app. So search for the city Lucknow and search. So this is the weather app. This tells information about the weather of that city which you entered. So now you know that. Just copy this link, and now you know that how to host your project on GitHub. So this is very easy, and this is very useful when you enter your project URLs in your resume, and for a job or for any interview. So you must have an GitHub account for nowadays. So this is very easy step, and you can also follow me on GitHub. You can get the link of my GitHub is in the description box. So just check there. And now just copy this link and also paste this link in the new tab to check it is running or not. So click on the new tab and paste this link, and you can also see this is running. And let's again check the project. So click on write Delhi, and yes, it is running. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and follow us for more awesome project like this.